everyone! Welcome to Janah's World! Last Sunday, we went to SM Mall and we went shopping in Miniso. And I found this cute art stuff. I found them adorable. And since it's vacation time, I was thinking other stuffs to do so I don't get bored. And I think that these items from Miniso are a perfect catch to fight boredom. I'm so excited to start coloring. But first, like, subscribe, and share this video. Which one should I color? Let's go with the penguin because it's cute, right? Let's open it. First, we have the markers. Oh, there's a free yarn. We can use it as an ornament or a wall decor. And last is the penguin. Let's start coloring. Let's see what the colors we have. Oops. First, we have black. Next is red. Next is yellow. And last is pink. Let's start coloring. Let's put the yarn aside. Let's go with... Let's copy the coloring right here. First is black. Let's make the... Ooh, I have to be careful or else it'll be ugly. Let's start coloring. There. This is going to be so perfect. Ooh, this must be the hole where you put the yarn. You have to be careful. There. There. Next is yellow. There. We're done with the hat. Next is the suit. Ooh, this might be tricky. the bottom part. Coloring makes me so happy. Guys, I think this material is made out of wood. Now it's the sleeves. There. Next is time for the bow. Oh, this might be hard. Now it's time for the stripes. There. Next is yellow. And I'm done with the yellow. Last is pink. Okay, I'm done, guys. And here's the yarn. You have to make it straight so you can pull it in. Okay, I'm done. And here's my penguin. Oh, and by the way, guys, I already made one of these earlier. The pink whale. And here's my little kitties. Which of these two do you like more? The penguin or the pink whale? For me, I like the pink penguin because her color is pink, and I worked harder on this because there's small lines, right? Like this. It's so cute! I think I'm going to put this at my room because it's too adorable. I'll never leave this side. I hope you like my art activity. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more updates and giveaways. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye guys!